meeting.
Okay. Yeah, that was a felony plea that was taken downtown here, and I believe now it's out in Flushing. And if the court wants to, I certainly would object to it.
Yeah. Wait, Mr. Myers, you're cutting in and out there. I assume that you're going to object to the bench warrant and I'll make a decision. Okay. Defendant failed to appear today, issue bench warrant. If he makes contact with you, you can always call me.
I understand, sir.
Okay.
And
And
then Gage Tippett with Mr. Robadier.
okay, I do have the file. Mr. Robadier is right in front of me here. Gage Tyler Tippett.
And he should be on Zoom, sir.
Okay. I'm sorry, OWI second.
And I've sent to the court the advice of rights and plea information.
Okay, we got those, and I gotta find your client here. Boy, yeah, I don't have him on here, Fred.
The phone number I have is 827-0055. But
I got nobody.
let me call real quick.
Okay, sure. Myers, he's coming in right now. I got him coming in. Gage Tippett, I got one just in front of you there, Mr. Childers.
No problem. I always defer to Mr. Myers.
I do too. I just don't want to lose him somewhere. That's the.
Get on.
Mr. Tippett, you got to connect your audio there. Let me see if I can. You know, it sounds where we've got this whole. There we go. Mr. Tippett, are you there?
Yeah. I'm sorry. I thought I was in.
Yeah, you were you're half here. Yeah, we got you though. And I do have your attorney, Mr. Myers is here, and now I lost my prosecutor. Here he comes. Mr. Robadier, we got Mr. Tippett on the line and Mr. Myers. Oh, that's okay. Sorry. We're all set. We're all set. It sounds like there was a plea offer to.
Yeah, to reduce the charge to that second, which is misdemeanor 1 year up to $1,000 fine, Secretary of State sanction.
Mr. Myers, is that your understanding as well?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and Mr. Tippett, you are being offered an amended charge to operating a motor vehicle while intoxicated. Second offense does carry a possible penalty of up to 1 year in jail and or a fine of up to $1,000. There also may be licensing sanctions imposed to the Secretary of State based on your master driving record. This is alleged to occurred April 8th, 2021 in Grand Lake Township. Do you understand that charge? Yeah, now he's got him muted. Mr.
Yes,
Tippett,
Your Honor.
do you
Yeah.
understand that charge?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. You have the right to have a trial in this matter, at which time you have the right to have a trial before a judge or jury. You have the right to subpoena, call witnesses of your own at trial. You have the right to confront and question under oath any witnesses called against you. Also have the right to testify at trial or not to testify at trial. If you decided not to testify at trial, would not be held against you. And you have the right to be presumed innocent until proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. Do you understand those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
How do you wish to plead to operating while intoxicated second offense?
Guilty.
Is it true that on the said date, time, and location, you're guilty of operating a motor vehicle while intoxicated as a second offense? Is that true?
True. Yes, Your Honor.
Were you drinking alcohol just prior to driving on this date?
No, it was actually the night before.
Night
But-
before? What were
Yeah,
you-
I was just a heavy alcoholic back then.
Okay, what were you drinking as far as alcohol?
Beer and whiskey as well.
Okay, so, and this may be hard to do, but how much beer do you think you had to drink?
Probably like a 15 pack and then some liquor, like a half pint maybe. But I was working second shift, so I was staying up kind of late
Okay,
after work.
okay, and Mr. Myers, I'm looking for some type
I
of blood
stipulated
level.
to a inventory report of 0.079, that being taken by the Department of State Police Forensics Scientist Diane Bennett. And it is a level of 0.079, and I will stipulate to that report.
Okay, 0.079, Mr. Robidoux.
So that's agreed.
Okay. Mr. Tippett, do you understand if I accept your guilty plea, you won't have a trial of any kind, give up all the rights that you would have at trial, and you may be faced with those penalties?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody made any threats or promises to cause you to plead guilty other than what we've discussed?
No, Your Honor.
No? I'll accept guilty plea to operating while intoxicated second offense. Order a drug and alcohol assessment. Set a sentence date for March 6th at 8:30. And bond is continued.
March 6th, 8:30.
Yes, you're gonna get some information in the mail. There'll be a telephone number for probation to call, set an appointment for the assessment. Make sure you call that number, okay?
All right. And I just wanted to throw out there, I've been going to AA 2 times a week, and I see a psychologist for about over a year now and a therapist.
Oh, good. Hopefully that keeps things stable for you. Make sure you tell our probation department that too, because they'll put that in the report for me as well, okay?
Okay. I appreciate it.
All right, you're welcome. And you're all,
Thanks, Al. Thank you. Goodbye.
thank
All
you,
right.
Mr. Tippett, thank you.
Yep. Have a good day. Bye.
You too. Bye. That one, Mr. Childers.
Yes, Your Honor. Miss Arthur would be set for trial, please.
Okay. Olivia Arthur, are you there? Oh, you got to unmute for me there. There you go.
Can you hear me now? Okay.
And we're leaving your matter on for jury trial for February 15th at 8:30.
You'll have to show up in person on that day, Miss Arthur, down in the courthouse.
Okay.
You're all set.
You're all set.
Okay.
You can leave the meeting.
Okay.
Every day to work, every day to work.
Yeah, get her there. There we go.